Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about LightSpeed. So the video is going to be long. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The first thing that you need to do is you have to come here to lightspeedhq.com. LightSpeed is actually POS and payments platform. It's good for your business. If you own a retail business, a restaurant, a golf business, an adventure business. So for all kinds of businesses and to have an effective payment method and a payment gateway, this website is the best thing. So once when you're here, you have to go here to free trial, and then you can either choose retail or an e-commerce store. For me, I'll go with retail. And then you have to tell them what business do you actually sell, whether it's food and beverage, apparel, health and beauty, home garden. For me, I'll go here, apparel and footwear. And then we have to tell them our annual revenue. So it's up to you. How much do you earn? So I'll click this. And then you have to write your personal detail. So let me just fill it and then I'll get back to you. So once when you fill your personal information, they'll take you to the home page and you can select this. So this is the home page, and they have given you some demos and some tutorials that how you can add different things to your store. But if we see here on the left panel, we have several options which include setup, inventory, customer services, catalog, reporting, online, and sell. Now, the first thing that you need to do to make your own store or your retail brand here is to click here. So once when you click sell, they'll tell you that you don't have any product. So let's add some product for that. So if you want to build your online identity in the form of an e-commerce store or a retail outlet, you have to have products. So adding a product is very important. So you can see this product, promotion, price book, brand, suppliers, product tags, categories, gift card. You have to add a product first before going to these things. So let's go on add product. So you can write the name of the product. And you can write the brand name. And you can write a bit about the product. White formal shirt, usually used for events. And product tags are very important because they distinguish your products, and it's very important for SEO, search engine optimization as well. So let me just add a tag. So you can add the tags relevant to your product and the product type. Then we have to select the category. So you have to add the category in which your product falls. Then you have to add the image here. So here you go. I've added the image. So once when you add the image, you have to come here to inventory management, and you have to tell them, is your product a standard product, a variant product, or composite product? I would say that my store contains variant product, because variant product are similar products but different in attributes like size or color. This is very important. So I'll select variant product. Then you have to choose a supplier and supplier code, and then price at which the supplier is going to sell you the product, and then inventory levels you have to tick it. And then if you have any text that you want to add, you can add it, but I'll leave it just as it is. And then price, how much markup and how much margin do you want, and how much will be the retail price, like how much are you going to earn. This is actually where you have to decide how much you are going to earn per product. So I'll say 30%. So yeah, this will be the final price of a shirt, and I'll get the shirt from the supplier at this price. Now this is very important because here you can see that I've selected variant products. So I have to distinguish my product into different attributes. Like for example, let's go with size and medium, small, medium, and large. So these are the three variants. And you can see they have given us SKU codes, supplier codes, and price, and everything is mentioned here. So once when you're done, you filled all this, you can click save. And voila, your product has been saved. And now you have a product. Now, after adding a product, you can see these things. If you want to add any promotion, you can add it. If you want to see the price box, you can see the price box as well. That depends up to you. What do you want to do? All these things you can check out later on. But this, the thing which I just told you is the main thing that you need to do. You can just tweak these things. You can add promotion, discounts, and you can see these things later on. You can categorize your product. You can further add product tags up to your relevance. So these things you just need to tweak them. But this was the main thing. And then if we go back to the home page, and after going here to the home page, you can see there's this option of online. And when I click it, now this is actually if you want to make your retail store into to have an online presence and make it, in the form of an e-commerce store, you can do that. This option is available to you, and after doing that, you'll have an e-com presence, and then you'll have to integrate several applications and widgets to your online e-com store, just like a normal e-com store, and then you'll be good to go. So this was the basic fundamental or modus operandi of this LightSpeed application. And you can also scan your products, just by the way. So after scanning your products, you will get, the products right here. So if you have a lot of products and if you want to, find one, you can just click it right here. And then you can choose the size, and then you can click pay. And then you can see right here that they have made a checkout thingy for your business and for your product. So you can just click on cash, and then you can pay the amount, and then you'll be good to go. So this is the basic, I would say, thing that is required for. So this is how you order a product, and you can see there is several options right here that you can check out as well, like open register. This is for the cash management and sales history. You can also see the sales history right here. It's equally important, that how much sales have you done in the past months or years. And then cash management. Cash management is important if you are having a lot of vendors and you have a lot of customers. Cash management is, I would say, kind of a register to note down every single thing. So this was the basic, I would say, modus operandi of LightSpeed, and I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.